Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So you know what, I really love rice, but even I can admit that rice can sometimes be a little boring. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a mushroom rice. So if you love mushrooms, you may want to stick around. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Alright, so I'm going to take a half an onion and I'm going to give it a rough chop. Because onions are usually the base flavor of most of my recipes, I love them so much, but they really go really well with mushrooms. So I'm going to use an 8-ounce carton of brown mushrooms. I really love these mushrooms. And before I do anything, I'm just going to take a damp towel and just wipe any dirt on them. And you definitely don't want to put them under the sink because they are porous and they'll soak up all that water. So now I'm going to go in and slice up all those mushrooms so when they cook down, they can release all that flavor. So over medium heat, I'm going to go ahead and warm up 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And now I'm ready to add the onions to the pan to saute, and I'm going to let them soften and just release all that flavor. So you definitely can't have onions without garlic, so I'm going to go ahead and add 3 teaspoons of chopped garlic to the pan and continue to saute. Now I'm adding the mushrooms in with the onions and garlic so everything can cook down together and continue to build that flavor. Now while the mushrooms are cooking down, I'm going to continue to build on the flavor, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, sea salt, and black pepper. Now while everything is continuing to cook down, I'm going to rinse off 1 cup of jasmine rice. Now you can use long grain rice, but jasmine rice is my personal favorite. Now I'm going to add the rice into the mushroom mixture so it can toast and pick up all that flavor. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now you want to just bring it to a small boil, and then you want to cover it up with a lid, and then you want to let it cook down between 20 and 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes of cooking, I'm adding some fresh parsley to brighten up the rice and finish it off. So once you've mixed everything together, everything is pretty much done. Like I said in the beginning, if you find rice to be a little bit boring, this is a fantastic way to pack it with so much flavor. It can make a perfect side dish if you want to have it with some chicken, or you can have it all by itself, all on its own. It is that good. But that's it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. You can share it with everybody that you know. Don't forget to follow me on my new channel. It's April Time here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. right, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.